Another strategy that we use a lot in my classroom is digital breakout games to review things. And one of the things that we always end up using as part of that digital breakout is the jigsawplanet.com, which is really super easy to use, and it allows you to take a picture of literally any question, any question period really, and turn it into a jigsaw puzzle, as you can see here. This is clearly gonna be math, and it's it's extremely easy. You just upload the image, and then when somebody goes to solve it, as the pieces that fit together get together, they click, making it a little easier for the person that's solving it. Oh, that was definitely not the right one. And so then fast forward to once we've gone through the process of getting it all put together, then you can go about answering the question. I've included in later parts of this project some ways that you can incorporate this besides the, obviously the math application that I've done here. And let me know if you got any questions.